Craig and Celeste of Sulcata Grove, and today we are going to be trying this White Pirie mango. Celeste tells me that this is from Hawaii, and
I think so. It's I think they're normally bigger than this.
yes, we had a batch that were somebody brought us who had a multi-grafted tree, and it kind of stunted the size of a lot of them because they had so many on there. But let's try
Ooh,
this.
I smell resin already.
Well, I just took that little piece of stem off,
yeah.
and when I did, I think it was.
Got mango scent.
Well, this actually the inside smells very resinous as well. So let's see if this is a very resinous mango. Sometimes resinous can be very good, and sometimes it cannot. I am hitting some fiber, or I'm hitting the skin or something. Let's see.
I thought it's supposed to be fiberless.
Let's see.
It smells really strong.
It smells very resinous, piney. That's interesting. The overall flavor is more sweet, citrusy kind of. There is a strong punch of resin at the very beginning, and it fades out very quickly.
I
mean, it's I mean, I'm smelling this, and it could be a pine cone. I mean, it's just.
Yeah, but it doesn't taste like that. If you like strong flavored mangoes that are still sweet, this is really good. Do you want to try some, Courtney?
You pop it in your mouth, and it's like right away, it's like, wow, that's piney. But then it fades super fast, and you're left with a really kind of very just sweet, citrusy mango. And now that part of the flavor doesn't really have any spiciness to it. It's just like, it's kind of a weird.
I really like that mango.
It's a weird punch up front, and then you're left with just a nice, good, sweet mango.
What do you think, Courtney?
It's still a little resinous afterwards.
You're getting resin. So I actually kind of like, I have come to like a lot of resin in my mangoes. I didn't used to, and now I kind of appreciate a spicier, more resinous, even a piney mango, which odorata has got a lot of pininess to it, and I actually really like that. So this is good. It's unusual though. It's
I give that a 10. If you like stronger flavored mangoes.
That's good mango. That's good. I don't know if I give it a 10, but it is very good. I'm trying to think of how. Of course, it's been too long since I've had an odorata to compare it to.
No, odorata isn't in the same category.
Okay.
I mean,
this is almost. I can feel the pininess of this right now in my eyes. Right now, it's kind of almost making my eyes water a little bit, cutting this up. And so you'd think to eat this would be like difficult, but
if you like Bombay, you would like this.
I like Bombay.
It's got a little bit of chalkiness too, a little creaminess.
There's definitely a lot going on in that, though.
I could eat 10 of those.
Well, you're out of luck because we only have one little one.
So thank you to Tony and Davy for giving us that mango. That's the first time I've ever had that.
Yeah, I haven't had that one before, for sure. I'm trying to think of how else to describe the. I mean, just kind of like a tangerine-y kind of.
Like lick my lips afterwards. I'm like, oh, I want some more.
But just the real punch of the piney up front. But then you don't feel like you. But then so usually it's like, oh, now I've got this piney taste in my mouth that lingers, which is unpleasant. It doesn't have that. It's
but Courtney thought it lingered a little bit. Do you still have a piney taste? Okay.
No, it was really quick for me. It almost didn't last long enough, and I wanted.
I know.
You have to eat another bite to get more of that. So
that was really good. I want a tree.
All right, so that was White Pirie.
I need to reevaluate the yard after this year.
But yeah, that was excellent. So and I like the unique ones, and that was definitely unique. So White Pirie, everyone.
We don't have a Bombay, so I think maybe we should get one of these.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. All right. Well, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Pick the mango from the tree and the mango down to me. Put the mango in a sack, put the sack up on my back.